Hey there, Tyrone from TMG. Just wanted to share this video. We talk to a lot of business owners. They reach out to us. They say, Tyrone, we want you and your team to help us to grow on a pay-on-performance basis. We take them through our process and we say, no, you don't qualify. And then, they get upset. Here's the deal here. There are literally about 4 different things you need to do in order to grow your business, to avoid some of the pitfalls. First, you need to have a clear direction on where you want to go. You want to know what your market size is, who you're going to serve, what their needs are. You really need to understand that. Once you understand that, it's really about stabilizing, having systems and processes in place, procedures, understanding what your clients buy before they get to you, during, after. Just understanding that process. Once you've been able to stabilize, it's all about optimizing. Trying to find those simple things that you can tweak to make better in your business. It's at that time you can start exploring other markets on where you can be of service to your clients. And once you've understood that, it's really about expanding at that point. And expanding is looking at other revenue streams, other products or services that you can provide to your market, to your clients, now that you have a system and process in place. So it's really about stabilizing, optimizing, and expanding. It's not a matter of having a vision and trying to expand right away. It's not going to work. It's going to be a quick fail. So if you need help on this, reach out to me directly on here, leave a comment. Talk to you soon. Bye.